Hi everyone, just want to let you know that if you are getting an error message that says you do not have adaptive product assigned, there is an easy way to fix this. So what you're going to do is go right up here to where it says Manage Classes. And from there, you're going to see a list of potentially just one class or all of your classes. And there's a couple ways to add it. You can either click right on this blue button where your class is listed. And then you're going to notice a box right here that says Add Adaptive Learning Products. You're going to want to check that box. And then to check the box that says Personal Math Trainer if you're using GoMath, or Math Expressions if you're using Math Expressions, depending on the program you're using. And then at that point, you can scroll all the way to the bottom and hit Save, and you are all set. The other way to do that, if for some reason that doesn't work for you, is click on Manage Classes, and then click on the button next to the class that you want to edit, and then click right here where it says Edit Class, and then again you'll see the same screen pop up. So either of those two ways should allow you to assign adaptive products and thus assign the personal math trainer.